It's lovely to see you here this morning, especially our friends from the Ukrainian community. So today's project, the research and the performance, is very challenging, and it's a great opportunity to bring that research and artistic performance together. We have lined up today what will be a very special performance, and I'm looking forward to it.
The Community Engagement through Performance Art project was led by Dr. Marcos Diaz from the DCU School of Communications, and was a collaboration between DCU, Create, or the National Development Agency for Collaborative Arts, and Ukrainian Action Ireland. This project aimed to develop a one-day public performance event in the DCU Glasnevin campus. Through a collaboration between the artist Sally Walmsley, selected by Create, and members of the displaced Ukrainian community. It examined the potential of performance art to support interaction between the Ukrainian and Irish communities, and enabled the displaced Ukrainians to showcase their social and cultural background to a wider audience.